In this video, you guys, we will be changing ignition coil. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dutch Mike, and today we hope to solve the problem from last video, namely the engine misfire. So I have a new ignition coil, and if you do not know what this is all about, check the link in the little eye on your top right, so you see the last video. Yeah, so it's a couple of days later. This was really hard to get by due to COVID, but we're gonna change it and see if it works. But before we do that, we have to pray to the car gods. Pray with me. In the name of the engine, the chassis, the V8, Amen. Dear car, I bring you this offering so we can prosper with our cars and have many miles for me and my viewers. We're gonna pull the old one out, at least I hope, just with my tool. Ha! Yeah. Yep. Oh, there we go. Now, you don't need any tools for this, but it is recommended. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming! Yeah, there it is. Up. There we go. Now, let's change this one into this one. As you can see, it's pretty bad weather, but this is only a job for a couple of seconds, so it should all be good. Push it in, push it maximum in, click it back on. There we go. Now we have to test the car. Let's hope our prayers work. Anyway, the Bosch one was the most expensive one. There are cheaper ones, it's not so expensive, except if you want to change all 8, then it's gonna be expensive. This one was 50 euros, but you can get them from 30 euros. And I like that this one is a red one, makes it look like an Audi R8, I don't know. But yeah, let's test. Oh. It would appear it's all gone, except the engine light is still on, so we're gonna look into that with the software. But let's let it run for a couple of minutes. Maybe drive around the block here and see if it's all good. So yeah, let's do that. Let's close it up and drive around. So guys, we have just driven the car. We believe it works fine, but we still have a check engine light on and still have the codes. But I believe the app has a bug in it, which I cannot help, but codes are still there. But that doesn't mean something is wrong with the car, it's just a bug in the app, I think, because I use OBD11. But yeah, it drives fine once again, so let's see for how long. Looks like the gods, they do well. So guys, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe down below, and then I will see you next time. See you later guys.